In today's video, I will walk you through how to reset your dashboard on Bitfinex. If you've customized your Bitfinex dashboard and want to start over with the default layout, resetting the dashboard is a quick and easy solution. This can be helpful if you've moved widgets around, removed panels, or simply want to return to the original workspace provided by the platform. To begin, access your Bitfinex dashboard. Next, click the custom grid icon located at the top navigation bar. Then click Disable Custom Layout. Bitfinex may display a confirmation message before applying the change. This confirmation helps prevent accidental resets, especially if you've spent time customizing your workspace. After the reset is complete, take a few moments to review the dashboard. You should see the default collection of widgets and panels arranged in their original positions. This gives you a clean starting point if you'd like to customize the dashboard again later. It's also a good idea to avoid making too many changes at once. After each adjustment, check that your layout still works well for your daily tasks. And that's how to reset your dashboard on Bitfinex.